The Philippine government has released an initial funding to acquire 32 additional Lockheed Martin S-70I Black Hawk utility helicopters from Poland. The announcement of 3.98 billion Philippine pesos (68.70 million United States dollars) for the acquisition of the aircraft was announced in the Special Allotment Release Order by the Philippine Department of Budget and Management. The SORO was made public on the 8th of August 2020. The sum is likely a down payment for the aircraft. According to the SORO document, the acquisition of the new aircraft will cover the funding requirements for the additional utility helicopters Black Hawk acquisition project of the Philippine Air Force under the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program RAF-PNP. We received confirmation that Sikorsky's Polish subsidiary PZL Milas has completed the first 3 of 32 S-70I Black Hawk combat utility helicopters that the DMV ordered early. This could be arriving to the Philippines soon. The problem at the moment is getting these helicopters flown to the Philippines, as special large commercial cargo planes are very scarce at the moment due to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Ukraine's Antonov Airlines were previously used to deliver the first 16 S-70I Black Hawk helicopters from Poland to the Philippines using the IN-124 Ruslan, but they are now busy servicing Ukraine's importation of arms and munitions and providing support to the embattled country.